Got a cool pairing for you guys this week. Patagonia Provisions. This is one of my favorite conservas that we do, and I was cruising the shelf about a week ago and I realized we got some new stuff from them. They were doing Spanish white anchovies. They do in a roasted garlic. These are really cool because they're not the like traditional really salty anchovies that I was kind of used to. They have this really mild flavor, and the really good olive oil and the garlic just kind of tops it all off. Another thing that I love about Patagonia is check out the packaging. They do this really cool stuff where, and I kind of destroyed it, so sorry, but they're giving you all this information just about how they're responsibly fishing, the communities they're working with, the flavors, things to do with it. It's really neat, so I think that's kind of helped me out as far as like what to do with this kind of stuff. So I think it's really cool how they do that. I thought I'd feature that and kind of give them a little shout out on the cool packaging.
That's right. And speaking of like kind of environmentally friendly stuff, one of the more environmentally friendly breweries in Utah is Kitos Brewing. They were kind of built around that idea. Kitos means thank you in Finnish, and it's like thank you to the earth is kind of their theme. What we have today is their Pilsner. It is a pretty awesome pairing with kind of a light, briny, garlicky fish like this. It's going to be bitter enough to stand up, but still kind of a little bit of malt sweetness. What I like about this specific Pilsner, Kitos is kind of known for their like IPAs and like fruited sours, but I think they nail a lot of traditional styles really well. And what I love about this Pilsner is it's definitely a Pilsner, classically German, got some great malt character in there, but the hop character is like all American. They use a hop called Mosaic. The last time I checked anyway, it could have changed, but anyway, it's a Mosaic in here, and that's not one you usually see in lagers like this. It's one you usually see in IPAs that are a little fruitier. However, it doesn't come across as like a huge fruit-forward IPA bomb. It comes across as a nice, crisp, clean lager with just a little bit of residual sweetness and some nice hop bitterness. So
I was just gonna say I like that, like how it's nice and crisp, like you were saying, and it goes really. Oh hell yeah! It goes really
nice,
cool with kind of the freshness and like the brininess of the fish, like
right, carbonated enough to kind of get that carbonic acid bite to cut the fattiness and oiliness, but that sweetness and that herbal quality is going to go with that garlic so nice. These things are so cool. I was looking at the ingredients. There's like 4 ingredients.
Yeah, it's like salt, red pepper, olive oil, and garlic, and then the fish, of course.
Yeah, but that's awesome.
Patagonia does some other cool stuff. They do mussels and mackerel. That's kind of what we've had on the shelves for a while, and they're always killer. But I was really excited to kind of get some new stuff from them. I hope we keep getting stuff in from them. But Patagonia Provisions is super killer.
Yeah.
Anything else for you? Oh, classes.
Oh yeah, we got a couple of cool classes coming up. Again, we have demand for the IPA and the Belgian class, so we've scheduled. We did our IPA class. We scheduled another one for June. Keep an eye out for that. And then 2 Belgian classes, kind of rapid fire, May 18th and June 1st. So if you're big into Belgian beer and you want to learn a little bit more about it, taste some things, definitely going to do some fish.
Definitely be some conservas in the Belgian class.
So if you guys want to check that out, check out the Caputo's website and join us for one of those.
Cool, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Cheers.
Have a good one.